I just made a video talking about how to pronounce the TH sound like th and th, more like a native speaker. Now is the time to practice. For the next 3 days, you're going to receive one video each day that's only a couple minutes long. Let's get started.
Day 1. Mouth position. Remember, for these exercises, we're practicing something new. Keep the tip of your tongue down, press against your bottom front tooth. You can then send your tongue backwards a bit and close your mouth more as you get to the TH. It can also be helpful to have the sides of your tongue touch your top teeth, like you're biting. Not hard, no blood. Let's begin by just putting it in some words. We'll say each of these twice. Rather, rather, weather, weather, bother, bother, mother, mother, father, father. How about some word pairs? Mother's father, mother's father, bothersome weather, bothersome weather, lathered leather, lathered leather. Her brother's leather hat had feathers. Her brother's leather hat had feathers. Maybe as you're practicing these THs, you start confusing them for like a sound like D. Like you can't tell the difference between day and they. You need to take a look at our day 2 exercise for THs.